I didn't have any expectations rather than just coming to an exhibition or a fair. But this event actually has proven to be quite effective in terms of working together with the end users and knowing what their needs are, so we can interact and change our products or make new products for them.
I heard in advance already that there will be some exhibition, and they do some in-house exhibition, something like that. But it really was also for me, it was very astonishing how big is this professionality in such a small country, and yeah, what they achieve with this. I could really imagine that this is exactly the way you need to do it, and it's really a pleasure being here, and I hope that I get invited also the next couple of 100 years.